Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to find out Clash of Clan account by name on your iPhone. Whether you are looking for an old account or just want to search for something else, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. Open your Clash of Clan application. Once you are in the game, head on to the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile. Then you have to select social. Then you can see various options in which you have to tap on search player. On the search bar, enter the name of the account you are trying to find. Make sure you spell it correctly. This is the sensitive case. If the account is active and linked to the Supercell ID, it should show up in the search bar result. From here, you can tap on it and send a friend request or see more details. If the account doesn't show up, make sure the name is spelled exactly as it is. Also, check the account you are looking for has a link their game to the Supercell ID. If they haven't, you won't be able to find them this way. And that's it. You have now learned how to find a Clash of Clan account by name on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.